Ka Lympung Ïalehkai sports ka balai sengi jongi khana school ka jilla ka bala tip kum ka state level inter school athletic meet arja arpsau ka bala penlong da ka directorate of sports and youth affairs ka jilla kala sedang menta ka sengi ka arpu artrek jembang arja arpsau hamadan Ïalehkai jong ka sports authority of India ka sai ka badon hapot nihu. Ïaknieh ka athletic meet lawan ban play perdau da ba John F. Karshiying ubri working president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA kumukong san haringkat ka jigadon lang ki officer ka tanat sports na ki district baper. Ïaknieh ka Lympung Ïalehkai ka bala penlong hamaran sai nihu lawan ban yashim bantara ki khat art ligi school ki bala mikmat ya ki district hadin ka jingyo khorjing job jongki ha ka Lympung inter district athletic meet jong mentau snam. Ïaknieh ka Lympung sports ladon ki jingye kop ki ba kentup ya ki jing marek besi spa mitar, ar spa mitar, south spa mitar, drill spa mitar, pras spa mitar bat khat san spa mitar, long jump, high jump, shot put, discus throw, javelin throw bat medley race. Ïaknieh ka Lympung lai shimbanta dagi khana shenrang bat kentai bat nagaliang jong kongsan ula kit bok kit riang ru ya barok ki khana school ki bala wan bane shimbanta Ïaknieh ka Lympung Ïalehkai.
Yeah, stay down in this bad weather.
You have to work hard. 100% is not enough. As Mr. Young Campbell used to say, you need 150% hard work. I'll repeat, 100% is not enough. Because everybody is doing 100%. So you need to do 150% in here and in here. Remember that. Work hard. 150% work hard. And you will definitely get the results. You will definitely get the results. At this point, I would like to also state that a lot of infrastructure is now coming on in the state, and we are also one of the states where we are all aware we have to host the national games, and we look forward to hosting the national games in the near future. Because prior to Meghalaya, we have Uttarakhand, we have Chhattisgarh, and we hope after that Meghalaya will execute the games. We are very happy that now in Meghalaya we have annual state games. We are very happy now. We also have scholarships. All the medal winners, subject to criteria, can apply for scholarship. All the athletes are also entitled to cash awards.